This video was brought to you by Elbilmek, ABRP, Stormberg, Kempower and Bilkomponenter. Yo, what's up? We are now sitting in a Nio EL8 and in this video we're going to test the headlights. There is a slight fog here, so I'm not sure how good the test will be, but I think the fog is not too thick. I'm going to try to do this at night with less traffic. But this Nio has matrix lights. So right now it is supposed to be active. We have the A with the thing. Oh, look at that! Oh, wow, that looks amazing. Also that animation. Let me just check here. Yeah, it tends to beep at me. Okay, no, it was just some kind of lane departure. Okay, so it's on now. If I just push the stock away from me, then it goes up a little bit. Then now it's in manual mode, but if I pull it against me, okay, it then goes back to auto mode. But wait, it seems that manual is, it goes up slightly, it tilts up a little bit, but I want to be in auto mode then. Let's see what it looks like. Seems like I need to reach a certain speed before it just opens up. But wow, okay, I want to show something here. Let me see. If I slow down a bit, you see there? It refocuses. Wait, okay, now the speed went too low. Okay, then it doesn't want to go. But when I turn the wheel, it focuses towards the direction we are driving at. So even though it doesn't have physical turning, it can actually refocus like this to have better vision over the place we are going to. Wow, really nice. I mean, I'm trying to wrap my brain around this, how this works now, but it looks really good. It puts the German cars to shame, really, how good it is. The light is nice and bright and has good spread, and of course the adaptive stuff also. Wow. Most Chinese cars, they don't have that great headlights. And also the previous generation, well, ES8, okay, even though it had fairly good headlights, it had good spread, good strength, it was nowhere as strong and wide as this. And also the previous gen, the ES8 didn't have adaptive or matrix. I'm not sure if there's actually a definition different between matrix and adaptive, but at least from what I read here, Nio calls it matrix lights. So again, let me show you when I do this. Yeah, this is better when I have higher speed and I turn the wheel and it refocuses on the direction we're going. Oh, wow, that looks really awesome. But let me check something else here. Or are we getting close to the farm inspection spot? Yeah, okay, I think we are. Let's focus on it and then stop here. If we stop, it will probably, yeah, then it just kind of shuts down. But then if I manually go up now, boom! Oh, wow! Like, you don't need LED bar. Oh, okay, if I'm standing still and I turn to the right or to the left, you see that it fires up some, probably some fog lights. But if I now have it on the manual mode, yeah, even in the manual mode, you see when I turn the wheel, it will refocus. So it seems like the lights, they are quite wide, so they have the ability to focus like this, similar to what I've seen in EQS. EQS will actually focus the cone based on the speed, so when you go slow, it shines wider, and then as you speed up, it shines narrower. Here, let me try. Wait, what is that? If I accelerate, it seems like it tries to focus down a bit physically when you accelerate to avoid too much dipping. If I go into Sport or Sport Plus, let's try again. Then we have strong acceleration. Oh, okay. Then wow, it goes up kind of. No, then it didn't happen. Okay. It goes like a rocket, man. This car, 0 to 100 in 4.1 seconds. I mean, it's a big cruise ship, you know, the Enterprise. It's the flagship of Nio, but it still goes like a rocket. And I know for the longest time I could say, yeah, Chinese cars are great. Yeah, they're cheap, you know. They might be fast, they might have okay range, but in general, headlight sucks. Well, I cannot say that for this car. I can absolutely not say that the headlights here suck. They are actually really good. Let's see, if I go back to the manual mode here. Oh, interesting. So when we are, no, sorry, not manual, auto mode. In auto, or auto, it will still fire up the high beam when we have street lights. But I still wonder when it refocuses like this, I mean, what is the purpose? Why can't it just have full strength all the time? Maybe it's just too much. Maybe it's actually going on some kind of overdrive on the direction we are pointing against. But this is some good stuff, man. This is some next level shit. Wow, I'm really impressed. Let's see. Yeah, we have a car in front, but it's somewhat far away. Did it do the matrix stuff? Not sure. I think it's having full blast right in front here. Unfortunately, it's late at night, almost 2 at night, so there's not that much traffic on this stretch. Right now I have a van in front of me, so I'll just do the regular move. Oh, it seems to be fast to react. I mean, this is okay, not common motion to do anyway, but just to show you that it blocks out. But it doesn't have a like super high resolution like an EQS or a Polestar 2. So I wouldn't say it's like pixel light or digital light, but still pretty good. Yeah. Okay, let me try normal now. I'll wag around like I'm drunken mother trucker. Okay, so I see. Now I just use lane assist also. Blocks out oncoming traffic once it passes, and it fires up to the left. It goes seamless, so you can't really see that big of a difference, you know. But I can see that it lights up on the trees on both sides of the van. But let's see what happens if we approach street lights now. Will it still have it up? Yeah, it seems like, yeah, I can see the sign also. Yeah. We're now on the motorway, and well, I didn't catch it on camera, but I had an oncoming truck, and the truck flashed at me twice. So on the dashboard right now, we have the blue light icon that is with an A in the middle, and auto is indicated, but then there's another blue light icon also indicating that the high beam is actually on. I'm not sure if you can see it. It's not that easy to see now that we have street lights, but if I pull the stock towards me, then now we are on low beam. Well, okay, then temporarily, and then it went into auto again. And if I push the stock away from me, then now we're on manual high beam. So let's see. I probably have to switch manually over in the light switch here in the screen. It doesn't have a physical button, but if we go to lights here, exterior lights, and then yeah, headlights. If I put it on regular low beam now, this is no, my bad. So here is auto, and then this is low beam. Yeah, so it actually had high beam on, seems like, firing up against that truck. That's not good. Right, on, I was about to say completely dark roads. See, it blocks the oncoming trucks there. What about the road sign to the right here? They seem to be bright. Wait, did he turn on the light early? Was he annoyed from my light? But we have this center or the middle divider light, which is somewhat unique. You don't find that many places except for this stretch here. So I'm not sure if those lights mess up the matrix or the adaptive lights. But let's see, we have another road sign coming up soon. Let's see if it blocks out that or not. it doesn't seem like it. Seems to be full strength. So yeah, what I'm looking for is, I believe it's EQS that can detect road signs like that, and then because the light is so strong at night, it will, if you just full blast against the sign, it will reflect right in your face. This happens with Polestar 2, but EQS supposedly blocks out or dims down the section that is right at the sign, so it is pleasant to watch that at night. Okay, now it fired up the high beam, and then let me see, once we pass the car, then it should, okay, block out the oncoming car. Okay, I'm just gonna hug the left lane slightly, see what happens. Alright, and then I move over to this lane, and you see that it lights up the rocks now to the right. So yeah, well done, but it doesn't go away. Huh, that's a weird split. What is that all about? It doesn't work like some cars that once they detect motorway, they will not shine up on the left side at all. Here it seems like it shines up full, left and right full, and then if there's oncoming traffic, it will then block out that. But also this is a nice stretch, because we also look for, is it getting fooled by the light in the middle? The BMW iX3 did some weird flickering on and off because of the middle lights there. Here also something weird happened there. But it seems like for the most part it figures out how to do it correctly. Okay, I noticed that I just passed a truck, and the full beam or whatever seems to be on kind of long. Plus that it tends to like turn down the lights against the truck like now, and then fire it up again. I couldn't catch it on camera. Again, it's always hard to catch everything on camera, but what happened was that truck turned on the rear fog light several times, on and off, on and off. That's typically a signal that, hey, check your light or something, right? So truckers wouldn't do random stuff like that for no reason. Just like the other truck that flashed at me, they wouldn't flash at me for no reason. These are well-experienced drivers. So okay, even though like no car is perfect, even the German cars, they also don't turn down the lights in time or something. When I do 1,000 kilometer challenge, I get flashed at a lot when I drive Audi or Mercedes or BMW. Yeah. But still, I feel like maybe at least when it comes to when we approach a truck from behind, maybe it should detect the truck or whatever car, right, early enough and turn down the lights, because for them, it looks like we have full blast. Well, we have, but they get blinded. You know, they look in the mirror and they're like, what the heck? That guy, he doesn't turn down the light. So get slight minus points there. But I cannot be too strict about this, because, like I said, like even the German cars, which I consider are the best, even they cannot get it right. So maybe we need Tesla vision. I'm just kidding. But if I would give it score, okay, it gets slight minus because it's not matrix, so it's not 100% perfect. But I'm debating between a good 8.5 and a 9. I mean, it is really that good. For Chinese car, this is probably the best. Wait, let me think about this. Yeah, this is the best Chinese car I've tested. I mean, headlight in a Chinese car. And also overall, really good. 2 thumbs up. Yeah. Anyway, I think that's gonna be it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching, and talk to you later.